This is GATE 2016 Set 1 EC question number 53. Two lossless X-band horn antennas are separated by a distance of 200 lambda. The amplitude reflection coefficient at the terminals of the transmitting and receiving antennas are 0.15 and 0.18 respectively. The maximum directivity of the transmitter and receiving antennas over the isotropic antenna are 18 dB and 22 dB respectively. Assuming input power in the lossless transmission line connected to the antenna is 2 watt and the antennas are perfectly aligned, polarization matched, the power delivered to the load in milliwatts is received. At the receiver end, that is delivered to the load is being asked. Now you see, these are the receiving and transmitting antennas, and he gives the input power to the transmitting antenna and some part is reflected, and after that this is the power that is input and this is the load that is sent to, there is a power that is sent to the load and some part is again reflected, and this is the actual power PL dash that is delivered to the load, that is ZL. Now to calculate these, the power flows, you need to use Friis transmission formula that gives you the value of PL from this actual input that is given to the antenna from the transmitting side. So this PL magnitude is being given by transmitter gain into receiver gain, GT into GR, multiplied by lambda by 4 pi d, that is d is the distance between the two antennas, that is the receiving and transmitting antenna square, multiplied by the actual input that is seen. The actual input P in prime is found out by, since the transmission coefficient, reflection coefficient as transmitters of the transmitting and receiving antennas are 0.15 and 0.18. So reflection coefficients are known, right? From there you can calculate the actual power input and also load power that is sent to the load. Coming to the solution, this transmission formula will be useful in this question. So since it is lossless, the directivities of the transmitting and receiving antennas are given. Gain and directivity are equal. There is the power gain. Now directivity is given, you find the gain also from there. So directivity of transmitting antenna is 18 dB. Now 10 log dt, actually dt in dB is given, so dt is dt in dB, which is 18. So 10 to the power 1.8 dt 63.09. Similarly dr, the dr in dB is given to be 22 dB. This is directivity of receiving antenna. This is directivity of transmitting antenna is 10 to the power 22.2, which is coming out to be 158.48. Now similarly, since directivity and power gains are equal, so GT equal to DT equal to 63.09 and GR, that is receiver gain, is directivity of receiver is 158.48. The input power is given in the question to be 2 watt. So 2 watt is the input power to the antenna. Now we need to calculate P in dash, the actual input after reflection. So after reflection input, so what is that? Is actual input power 1 minus coefficient of transmitting side, 1 minus that whole square. Reflection coefficient of transmitting side is 0.15 and reflection coefficient of receiving side is 0.18. So 1 minus 0.15 square multiplied by 2. So P in prime, actual input, is coming out to be 1.18 955 watt. Now PL is calculated from this formula, which you need is these two gains, that is two gains 60.09 158.48 multiplied by, you see, lambda by 4 pi d whole square. So lambda divided by 4 pi into d is 200 lambda whole square multiplied by the input power, actual input power. So P in prime is calculated to be 1.955. So it is coming out, lambda gets cancelled, and it is coming out to be 3.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now this is the power sent to the load, but there also will be some reflection at the receiving end. So PL prime equal to 1 minus reflection coefficient of receiving side whole square, right? Now that multiplied by the power sent to the load. So actual power that is sent to the load is now after reflection. Power sent to load is 1 minus, now gamma r is 0.18 whole square multiplied by PL, which is 1 minus 0.18 square multiplied by 3.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is 1. Okay, so PL prime is coming out to be 2.99 milliwatts. This is the answer. So this is 2.99 milliwatt. This is the answer. Thank you.